Hello, this is Jane for Boatshed Essex with the MacGregor 26M that we have currently listed, just with a walk round video of the exterior. As you can see, the mast is lowered at this moment and it is on a trailer. So the rudders are up, mast is down. So it comes with a bimini. Engines at 50 horsepower, 4-stroke Yamaha. Has been copper coated the hull as well. Just have a walk round for the hull. The owners are in the process. The owner's in the process of having it cleaned as well. So they're just keen to get her on the market and get her sold. So hence the listing and the details as she is. She's a tidy boat. See there, this new mast and rig just recently. With a double axle trailer, a lizard trailer. If you have any questions or would like to organise a viewing, please do give us a call, send us an email, and if you visit our website at boatshedessex.com as well, you'll find more details for the boat there. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.